Good morning, students. Myself Kamal Nath, and I welcome you all in the class of grammar. Students, grammar is so interesting, so charming that when once you pay attention, deep attention, you will just be attracted and you will try to just do exercises continuously. Here, today we are going to learn notice writing. Writing different types of articles, essays, paragraphs, diary is an art. That is a skill we develop through different steps, learning its tips, how we can write diary, notice, essay, paragraph, email effectively. So in this series, I am going to detail you today notice writing, that is in chapter 27. Let us see. First of all, we have to learn what are the steps, different steps before we write a notice, and that is compulsory. We have first to learn the different steps that teaches us how to write a good notice, a proper notice, and effective notice. So here I have given some important features of notice writing, and we have to learn them. You please note down this one in your notebook and learn it. A notice should be written inside the box. First of all, that is here the first point to remember, that when you are writing the notice, it should be in a box. Just in a box you have to place whole notice. Means there should be a border around it. And what is the format? How can you attract the readers what you are going to write in the notice? So these are some of the important points we have to keep in our mind to make the notice impressive and effective. Before writing a notice, you have to write the name of the institute or company, organization issuing the notice. Okay, what is the name of the institute, means of the school or college or the company. No doubt company also gives notice to its staffs, to its members, or any organization who is issuing the notice. Its name should be first. The word notice should be written at the top of the box. In the box, the notice word should be written at the top. And then should be date of issue, on which date this notice is here issued, or release of the notice. That date is to be mentioned in the left side. Then should be the title or subject, that means heading, which should be eye-catching. The title we are giving of the notice, that will compel the reader to read the notice very carefully, every word. So that heading should be eye-catching, very attractive. Then should be the body, that means the details. What is the purpose of the notice? Why are you writing the notice? What information have you to give to the people? That is what the next, and that part is called body of the notice. And then date, time, place, venue, that should be mentioned in the notice. If we are going to inform the readers, the members who are associated, to whom we want to draw the attention, to give the information of any event, then we should mention the date, the time of that event, place, okay, that means venue. It should be very well and clearly mentioned in the notice. Then should be at last writer's name with designation and signature. Here I have given you an example of a notice, sample of a notice, how you can write. You can see this is the notice, already complete notice, which is here kept in a box. All around it, it is here line drawn, it is under a box. Here this is to no doubt very well see how it starts, how does it follow all the points I have right now mentioned. On the top you can see Greenfield School, New Delhi. That is what the school's name first. As I told you, there should be institution's name or organization's name on the top. So there is what Greenfield School, New Delhi. 5th June 2019. The notice was issued on 5th June 2019. And then we have written there notice. A notice is being issued to the readers. A sports summer camp. This is the title, as I gave you the detail in the features, important features of the notice. So after notice we have given here, and that's already here mentioned, a sports summer camp. About that the information is given to the students. The students are here notified with this here just event, a sports summer camp. All the students are hereby informed that our school is going to organize a summer camp for training students in volleyball and cricket from 10th June to 27th June at 9 a.m. in the school playground. Very well, you can see here the information that is given for what purpose this notice is issued. This is for the students to inform them about the sports summer camp, and what event will take place in that one is mentioned here. All the students are hereby informed that our school is going to organize a summer camp for training students in volleyball and cricket from 10th June to 27th June. See here from which date to which date at 9 a.m. in the school playground. Those who are interested may give their names to the undersigned latest by 7th June 2019. Very clearly it is mentioned, those who are interested, the students, those who will be interested will give their names to undersigned and the last date is given 7th June 2019. It was a notice already, and Amit, who is a sports secretary, has issued the notice. He has drafted this notice and here pasted so that the students can come to know about this event, about this program. Very well. Here is another notice again. You can see here, for example, notice 11 June 2020, lost and found. This is to inform. Here sometimes we are losing something, we forget something somewhere, and that is very essential. So here we are giving the notice. This is to inform all these readers that yesterday morning around at 8 a.m. I found a blue colored plastic bag containing some documents and some cash. The owner of the bag shall contact me on, here contact number was given here, along with an identity proof. The person who would come to claim about that bag must have an identity proof that same person is coming to claim. And then is what? Thank you. Amar or Amrita. Here the contact number is given so that the person who lost the bag would come and collect the bag with the identity, correct identity. This is what here the notice that we write. Certainly here these notices are very helpful for us so that we can draft a notice, we can give the information to a mass of people about any event, about any program, and no doubt in other regards also, as there was a lost and found here notice. So I hope that you will learn and write these important points of the notice in your notebook, and you will learn. So thank you, students. Thank you very much. We have some exercises, some questions in our book, and I will detail that one in the class how to do. Thank you. Thank you, students, very much being with me.